I'm looking at take me a breathalyzer. I'm not drunk.
They will up there.
Okay, then take me a breathalyzer, dumbass. I'm not finna go to drunk because I'm drunk. Bitch, I ain't drunk. I'm being festive for it. What did you talk about?
Over here, this way.
I was never that way.
Yeah,
I was never that way. No, I was.
What's up, everybody? Today we have another psychotic Karen getting arrested. Now this one was totally out of control. Our story begins on a busy street. Tensions rise as police confront a group for an unspecified reason. Amid confusion and frustration, officers demand identification and threaten arrest for non-compliance. Karen is bewildered, questioning why they're being charged and asserting they were off the road as instructed.
Go to jail. Give me your ID right now or you go to jail.
What did she do? She didn't do it.
Yo, she dropped that ID.
Oh my God! What the fuck? What did you finish charging me with? I'm mad. What the?
Can you show me how to raise 1015?
I gotta.
Karen seems to refuse to comply with simple requests or instructions from law enforcement, such as providing identification or moving off the road.
Y'all should have been turned on the camera. What he charging me with? What he charging me with? What he charging me with? I'm not intoxicated.
All you had to do was get off the road.
I wasn't being off the road. What the fuck are you talking about? Boy, I've been off the road.
No.
That line right there.
You're on the sidewalk.
No,
is
that's
where you
off
had
the
to
road. That's off the road.
You're not on the sidewalk.
That's a white line. I'm blocked off. You can't even drive right there. What are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about right now?
Now you're going to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I got bond money. I can go to jail. I'm straight. What the fuck are you really talking about right now? Bitch, put me in the car. Is you stupid?
Hey, look at me for a
Bitch,
second.
I don't know.
Don't pay attention to me.
What am I going to jail for?
I'm your transport officer. I don't know what you want to do.
Oh, okay. Ask them what I'm going to jail for. What I'm going to jail for?
Turn around here.
Pay me a breathalyzer.
Turn around and face
the
Straight.
Stop or you're going to stay in the handcuffs behind your back, and I ain't going to put them in the front.
But give me a breathalyzer. We finna see if I'm drunk right now. He said I'm intoxicated. Give me a breathalyzer.
Are you driving the car?
Give me a can you get my key and give it to my cousin? Give it to my pocket.
I'll do it in a minute.
We haven't searched this over there.
Okay.
What the fuck? Like what? This shit is crazy. Oh,
Stay facing the van.
Okay. Can you get my key?
Yeah, you gotta keep going, man. You can't block the roadway. You can't block the roadway.
Yo, is Paige around?
I gotta pick my mom. Can you pick my mom? I gotta try to do this.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
24?
Yeah, I'm 24. Kaya, come get my keys, please.
You gotta stop moving. Because he's gonna take those cuffs off, so you gotta
He
stop
finna
moving.
take them off?
We can put them to the front.
Oh
you
my
gotta,
God.
You gotta stop moving though.
Can you get her my keys, please? My car keys so she could go home?
In a second, yeah.
Okay.
I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Sorry, I had to figure out what hole it was.
You got it?
Karen might be engaging in disorderly conduct. This is evident from the chaotic nature of the interaction, including arguing, potentially obstructing traffic, and failing to cooperate with law enforcement's attempts to manage the situation.
I'm not gonna do nothing. Can you get her my keys?
Right, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. One second.
Once I do that, then I will get your stuff out of your phone.
Okay. What he charged me with?
I told you already.
Can you tell me? Intoxicated? I'm not drunk. Can you take me a breathalyzer, please?
Okay. I smell it.
I was drinking alcohol. That don't mean I'm drunk. Are you dumb?
That doesn't mean
it don't mean I'm drunk. You drink alcohol?
Huh?
You drink alcohol?
Yeah, but I don't like disorderly.
Okay, it's still in your breath. It's still in your breath. I'm not drunk.
So that's why you.
Okay, take me a breathalyzer.
Right,
I'm looking at take me a breathalyzer. I'm not drunk.
They will up there.
Okay, then take me a breathalyzer, dumbass. I'm not gonna go to drunk because I'm drunk. Bitch, I ain't drunk. I had alcohol. Bitch, is it illegal?
You want to take this off?
Is it illegal to have alcohol?
We'll cut it. You want to just search real quick?
In my back pocket. Can you get him? I'm getting all of it. Okay. Makaya, come get my keys, please.
Face forward. Face forward.
I'm being facing forward. What did you
Face
talk
forward
about?
over here. This way. This
You
way.
didn't, I was never that
This
way.
way.
I was never that way.
Yeah,
No, I was
You
not.
were when I asked you.
I was this way the whole time. Yes, I was. You turned me around because you had to handcuff me.
You have a knife? Hey, you have a knife? We'll take it off.
You gotta undo my handcuff. Why would you cut it? That's dumb as.
Yo.
What's your name?
Officer Huffman.
Can you get my cousin right there, my keys, please, so she can go
Let me
home?
finish this first.
Okay.
Not like tight, but like thick.
They is, they is.
Are these the keys?
I'm gonna have you spend the night. This shit is crazy. No, it's nothing there. It's just.
Karen admits to consuming alcohol and requests a breathalyzer test multiple times, implying a possibility of public intoxication. While it's not clear if Karen were indeed intoxicated, the erratic behavior and insistence on the breathalyzer could indicate impaired judgment, often associated with substance use.
Who's the person I'm giving it to?
Right there.
Which one?
Right there with it. Makaya! There might be her right there.
Who do you want to give your property
She's
to?
right there.
What's her name?
Right there. She behind
You
you.
can back up. You can back
Okay,
up. You
yeah.
got your keys. You can back up. Thank you.
You want to give her everything, please?
Okay.
And you, hey, Makaya, text my mom, please.
I can get this like pocket. Definitely.
Something in there?
No, it's nothing
You
in
feel
there.
you see it? Unless it's just a string.
It's just no, it's just a fabric. It's nothing in there though.
No,
You can dig it inside my pants right here. I got tapes on.
Can you get it through the inside? No. Can you?
I'm trying to. There we go.
You got to face forward, man. We're not gonna actually.
She's turning me this way. What
No,
the
you're
fuck
turning.
is
I
You're
gotta use
turning.
my like strength
Okay.
to get into your pocket.
It's cool,
Just
but
keep
she
straight.
still turned me that way.
All right,
What
just
the
keep
fuck you
straight.
talking about? I be
Keep
straight.
straight.
I be straight.
All right, good. I'm
Okay,
glad.
good.
Nothing in your top.
No, it's nothing in nothing. You can check
You
it.
can face this.
Oh my god, this shit is so gay. I'm like, what are y'all on? Y'all don't even know what I'm getting. When y'all gonna give me a breathalyzer?
In there.
Right there?
Yeah,
Before
we're gonna
pull
go
off?
get it. We're gonna go
Okay,
get it.
go get it. And then I'm gonna get released if I'm not drunk?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Watch your head. You want your purse and everything to go to her?
Yeah, everything. guys have any questions, I'm the sergeant. What she did? We asked her to get on the sidewalk. She started arguing with the officers. I spoke to her boyfriend. I said, you should really get her out of here before she goes to jail for disorderly intox. Oh, I thought it was something else.
I want to touch you, but I was getting ID for you. But bro,
let's walk over here on the sidewalk.
But bro grabbing her. I'm getting ID for you, but he's grabbing
Stand
her.
up. Back up just a little bit.
I ain't telling you.
I just don't want you to be in a car. Because, I mean, that's the reason this all started, right?
I'm trying to take her to the cop. So what's she trying to take in for?
So she's, right now, as far as I know, she's going.
Instead of de-escalating by cooperating or remaining calm, the Karen confrontational and erratic behavior increases tension, complicating the interaction for both parties.
To jail for disorderly intox.
Disorderly intox?
So when we asked somebody to do something,
I was getting
that's why I
for
told her. I was like, hey, you better, you heard me, right? I said, hey, you better take her away before she goes to jail for disorderly intox.
So you want to take her down? I'm saying, so you going to take her in though?
Go to jail for disorderly intox.
We got to bond all that.
And hopefully she cooperates so she doesn't get any more charges.
That's just stupid though. You take her to jail for come out the club though? When you come out, you got to take someone to jail so you get paid. Like, that's all.
So she'll go to the jail, they'll get her booked, she'll be able to call you with her bail, all that stuff. We can go back.
Hey bro, what's up for that? You can get a more out for you can get that.
If you guys have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer.
Yeah, they said she
Okay. We did. That was the problem. And the guy that she was with over there, I told him too. I said, you better take her away before she goes to jail for disorderly intox.
No, she went crazy.
Yeah, I walked away and I turned back around and there we had another one. She had at least one warning.
Give her 3 strikes. That girl stay way in Tampa. We'll make it baseball. That girl stay too far. I can give another.
What book name is? Sergeant?
Sergeant Carrionis?
I talk to him?
Yeah, I'll have him come over and talk to you.
Yeah, I need to talk to Sergeant.
Well, I'm a sergeant too.
I said him.
Yeah.
I said him.
That's crazy.
I'm Sergeant Sullivan.
I'm telling you.
That's crazy though, Miss Sullivan. That's crazy. That's crazy. There's a lot of shit y'all take people to jail for.
I'm telling you all that for that, man. Go to jail for that.
That's crazy.
But like I said,
That's too much going on out here.
I was there when he warned her the first time because I talked to you about it.
I was gonna get out of the road, but he talking rude.
I walked down the street and I came back.
You gotta talk with respect.
It's Christmas, man. People got kids and shit.
Karen is an underlying tone of disrespect towards the officers, demonstrated through the individual's language and refusal to comply with instructions.
Trying to get on to their kids.
It's not Christmas anymore.
Well, it's the day after Christmas. It's New Year's now.
Almost.
New Year's now. 2 days.
But like I said, as long as she cooperates,
It's just crazy.
I know. Misdemeanor.
That's just bullshit. Y'all can write a ticket for that, man.
Tell Sergeant to come holler at your boy, man.
You just, that's bullshit.
None of y'all can speak.
Nah, shit. She a big dog, y'all. All them kittens. Him and her is a big dog.
You heard me? I'm saying though. You can't get him though.
His name is, not Miss Sullivan. What's his name again?
Sergeant Carrionis.
Tell Sergeant Carrionis to come holler at your boy, man. We ain't trying to go to no county though.
But once she's in there,
Too late.
She ain't even in
She
there
ain't
yet.
there yet, bro. You ain't gotta process it.
once the handcuffs go on,
No, hell, that ain't true. That ain't true.
So,
Because I done been in cuffs out before and they let me go.
but why?
Probably for the same shit. Or worse. Matter of fact, probably was worse. Worse, but people don't know thought that paper.
Y'all at least gonna get the car keys up?
Yes, yeah. If she wants to give her property to you guys, you can take all of her property, so none of it goes to the jail.
What I'm saying though.
Let me find out if she wants to give her property to you guys.
That's a bad beat, boy. That's a bad beat.
Who do you want to give your property to? What's her name?
Right there, she behind you.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to give her everything?
Everything.
Okay.
And look, take my mom.
Okay, here's your license back, okay? This is all her property, her phone, there's $188 in here, she knows that you're getting it all, okay? She wants to call her mom. Okay? Thank you.
That's real. That's real.
Karen is searched, then transported to county jail for processing, then released on bond. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate all the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.